Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ravi board certified plastic surgeon in Houston, Texas. And today we're talking about what a lot of you are interested in knowing, which is how GLP-1 medications, the weight loss revolution, is affecting people and body contouring. So there are, as you guys know, a lot of medications such as semaglutide and tirzepatide fall into the classification of the GLP-1 medication, which is a glucagon-like peptide medication. And these medications have really revolutionized how people lose weight and maintain their weight. Historically, a lot of patients needed surgery to do this, and some patients still do. But for a lot of people, these medications have really kind of opened the door for a healthy lifestyle and weight loss. However, with weight loss comes certain changes to the body that we all have to accept. And the two big changes that we see with weight loss include volume deflation and skin elasticity. And so what happens is as we lose weight, we can't control where we lose the weight from. So really significant weight loss has profound global changes on our body. It affects our face, affects our hands, it affects our abdomen, it affects our arms, thighs, it causes buttock deflation and buttock ptosis. It spares literally no square inch of your body. And so when we talk about the ramifications of weight loss and medications, we're talking about how body contouring surgery can help rejuvenate those areas. And so really what it comes down to is sitting down with your board certified plastic surgeon who does a lot of cosmetic weight loss body contouring. And really we focus on the areas that bother people. And so that could be the breast, it could be the tummy as we talked about, it could be any area of your body. So really the goal here is to replace lost volume and remove skin. So in addition to some of the surgical procedures that we can do to remove skin, in our medical spa, we also have procedures that are minimally invasive and even non-surgical in nature that can also help tighten skin. Now, you got to remember that these procedures aren't for everybody. Really, it comes down to being seen by a board-certified plastic surgeon to see if these technologies are appropriate for you. So it's very important to understand that, yeah, a lot of these technologies can tighten skin, but only to a certain degree. And really, sometimes to get the best result, surgery is required. And surgery, for the most part, will give you a superior result. But in some cases, we want to make sure that if we're choosing a non-invasive or minimally invasive technology to tighten skin, it's also going to give you a superior result. So my goal is to give people the best results possible. And if that can be achieved with minimally invasive options or non-surgical options in our medical spa, then that is a great option for some patients. And some of these technologies that you may have heard out there that we have in our practice include things like Body Type, Renuvion J Plasma, can be also used to help tighten skin in some areas. And we can also use it as a hybrid procedure in which we're removing skin in some areas of the body. In other areas of the body, we can also, right next to those areas, use these minimally invasive skin tightening devices as a hybrid in addition to surgery. So it's not an all or none. It's really customizing procedure or the treatment plan to a particular patient, depending upon what their starting point is. There are other technologies that we can use. Vaser, which is ultrasound assisted liposuction in some cases, which can facilitate skin tightening after liposuction is done. So there are different technologies out there, and a lot of these technologies we have in our practice, specifically in our medical spa. But really, which one you use is just no different than a painter painting a masterpiece. So really, your job is to find a board-certified plastic surgeon who's the painter or the artist, and trust them to use their specific tools that they need to create the best result specifically in any one given situation.